Hey you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today's wig is from Reshine Hair and it is their Mongolian curly hair wig, water wave hair, and it's human hair with an HD lace front. The one that I have is a 4x4, it's in 30 inches and it is 250% density. Mind you, you guys, this wig is super affordable and the longest it comes in is 40 inches. So if you guys want to see how I was able to install this wig, then continue to watch. So as always, I'm just giving you guys a very quick unboxing. Now here is the wig. Once again, this wig is from Reshine Hair. It is their Mongolian curly water wave wig, human hair HD lace front. Again, I have the 4x4 closure, and as you guys can see, that lace is super transparent, but it also does come in a 13x4 and a 13x6. And once again, I have it in the 250% density. It also comes in 180 density as well. So I'm just showing you guys that they actually have the wig set to where you can install this the glueless way with the adjustable elastic band, the combs, and the adjustable straps in the back, okay? So you do not have to use no spray, no glue, none of that stuff. So I'm just fitting the wig to my head, and I also use the combs as well for a more proper fitting. And then I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and my hot comb, and we are going to slick this baby back. Alright, so now it's time to get rid of all that additional lace. So I'm just going in with my small scissors and my small razor, and I'm going to cut off all the lace that I do not need. Now I did pluck this closure off camera, but I'm going to show you guys how I did pluck it because I wanted to pluck it just a little bit more. I wanted the front of the lace to be a little bit more natural because sometimes after you cut off the additional lace, you know, it doesn't look like you really did as much plucking. So yeah, so I normally part like maybe an inch behind the hairline, and I gently go in with my large tweezers and pluck the hair. Now you do not want to over pluck, so I normally recommend people just do a little bit at a time and comb it back to kind of see where you're at. Okay, so you guys see that is looking a little bit more like easing its way into the density of the hair, if that makes any sense. I think I had to pluck a little bit more because this hair is 250% density, so it was really full, so I didn't want the front of the hair to be too bulky, if that makes any sense. But as you guys can see, I'm just going in with my makeup just to cover up that lace and make it look a lot more like my scalp color. And I'm also going to add that makeup to the middle part as well. By the way, I did tweeze the middle part some, just a little bit, because I wanted the part to be a little bit more defined and not as full as well. Once again, this hair is super full, so I just wanted it to look a little bit more low dense in the front. Okay, you guys, so guess what? That's literally all for like the installation part. Like, now we're gonna style. You guys see how easy that was? That's why I love me some closures. I love me some glueless wigs. So I'm going to go section by section, and I'm going to use some water. All I use when it comes to like my deep curly wigs, I just use water and some mousse. I like to keep it simple. You guys should know that by now. So I'm spraying the hair down with some water. I'm gonna finger detangle, and then I'm gonna go in with the brush as well, because I really wanted those curls to be defined, and I wanted you guys to see the curl pattern. Then I'm going to use some mousse from SheaMoisture, and as always, I will have all the products listed in the description box down below. But I do want to talk to you guys really quick about this hair, by the way. For one, can I just say, for it to be 250% density, this hair was a breeze to work with, and you guys will see it as you watch me brush through the hair. Like, this hair gave me no issues. I didn't have any shedding, I didn't have any tangling, and even though it was super full, it didn't feel like it either. It was so lightweight, which is crazy to me. The hair is super high quality, as you guys can tell as well. So if you are one of those people who love deep curly wigs, I would definitely recommend this particular wig. It's super beginner friendly, and it's affordable, and you guys, it comes in like 40 inches. Well, that's the longest length that you can get, so definitely worth it. Alrighty, you guys, that's literally it for this wig tutorial. Pretty easy and simple, right? So for all of my people who are beginners at wigs and stuff like that, this is the one for you. I will have everything listed in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you to Reshine Hair for sending me this wig and sponsoring today's video. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.